HTC's latest flagship smartphone is the One X Plus, essentially a One X with a tune-up. At a glance, the One X Plus looks identical to the One X, and that's because HTC has only made changes inside, so the handset is just 8.9mm thin and weighs just 135 grams. They may look the same, but we found the already good build quality of the One X to be even better in the One X Plus. The worrying ripple effect of the screen, which occurred if the handset was squeezed along the side, doesn't happen on the updated model. The One X Plus still has 1GB of RAM, but packs a faster NVIDIA Tegra 3 processor. It's only a jump to 1.7 GHz from the One X's 1.5 GHz chip, but we saw a big jump in benchmark results. A score of 1529 in Geekbench 2 was a much bigger increase in performance than the 27% touted by HTC. There's still no microSD slot, but the One X Plus has a generous 64GB of internal storage as standard. That's 3 times the amount of the Samsung Galaxy S3, which costs about the same. The screen is also unchanged from the One X, which is no bad thing. The 4.7-inch Super IPS display has such a high pixel density that it gives the illusion that you're looking at a glossy printed page instead of a screen. Like all of HTC's phones, the One X Plus comes with Beats audio. Really though, this does nothing more than pump up the volume and bass unnecessarily. The operating system is Android 4.1 Jelly Bean, but HTC adds its Sense 4 Plus overlay to the interface. There are certain elements missing, such as the 2-finger pull-down quick settings bar, and no option to put widgets on the lock screen. HTC does have a selection of lock screen designs that show information, and a top quality widget library. We're pleased that HTC didn't get rid of Google Now as well. HTC has given the recent apps part of Android a 3D view. Although this isn't necessary, it looks good, and we like the fact that you can choose to use the recent apps button below the screen to bring up menus when you hold it down. Thanks to its upgraded battery, we comfortably managed to get 2 days of use from the One X Plus. The higher capacity is helped out by a handy power saving mode. With the newer version of Android, no build quality issues and significantly better battery life, the One X Plus is a polished and honed version of its predecessor. It's now an even better all-round smartphone at a reasonable price too. We award 4.5 stars and our recommended award.